Hi, I'm here today with Samy Achour, President and Founder of Integration Objects, who's going to talk about his KnowledgeNet solution. Hi, Samy.
Well, thank you for the invitation.
Could you tell us about the Integration Objects and your KnowledgeNet solution?
Okay. Well, Integration Objects is a software company and specialized in plant automation, operation management, and knowledge management. KnowledgeNet is a new paradigm, and it's delivered in form of an application platform used to empower end users to make effective decisions and running their day-to-day plant's operation. And the idea is to guide operations all the way from the operator level to the senior executives in making effective decisions.
So what problem does the technology solve, Samy?
Okay. If you look at today in the manufacturing industry, all the way from the operator to the senior executives, the organization is overwhelmed with a lot of data and information. And it's not always easy and simple to mine into the data and identify key performance issues and take immediately corrective actions. What KnowledgeNet does, it will take that burden away from the users because our processes are becoming increasingly complex nowadays. There's a lot more data to reason over, so it takes all that burden away, does all the reasoning, identify the key issues and the corrective actions. So as a result, you shorten significantly the time between the time that the problem is detected all the way to the problem it's resolved. So we reduce significantly the time to resolution cycle, whether you are at the manufacturing level or at the business level. And the other key problem we resolve is the operators today are aging in the control rooms, and their retirement is causing a lot of concerns to the management because all that knowledge they accumulated during the 20 or 30 or 40 years of operations is living with them. And what KnowledgeNet does, it retains all that knowledge and share it with the future generations so we can empower them to shorten their learning curve and learn quickly the processes. And the other thing is it will bring is that knowledge becomes commoditized, so it will fuel meta-knowledge, a new knowledge, which allows a new generation to look for new enhancements and opportunity to improve the manufacturing processes.
Who are your typical users?
In the industry, we have primarily the major industries are the chemical, oil and gas, and the power utilities. This is the sector we've been focusing the most on, but the other industries like the automobile, the electronics, the discrete manufacturing, transportation can also be candidates for this. And the users inside those companies can be all the way from the operator sitting in a control room on the shop floor to the senior executives.
What makes KnowledgeNet unique? What differentiates it from the competitors?
Okay. If you look at the competitors today, they're talking a lot about manufacturing intelligence or analytics. So what they do, they collect data from the plant floor and they provide analysis based on statistical calculations and then reporting in order to make decisions. What KnowledgeNet does is a step above that. It's an evolution above that level. It brings knowledge in terms of root cause analysis models to identify the real problem, and it provides guidance in terms of best practices to make sure the best decision is made at the right time.
So why would someone select your technology?
Well, if they're concerned with their manufacturing operations efficiency, they want to be very competitive, they don't want to have any safety issues, they don't want to maximize their plant operations so they can reach their true potential, KnowledgeNet is the answer.
So what would you say are the main drivers that would push a decision maker into selecting your technology and deploying it?
Well, the main drivers is if they want to be very competitive and they want to increase their operations efficiencies. And also they want software applications that is highly maintainable and easy to use and easy deployable within a very short time frame. KnowledgeNet is also an answer for that.
Thank you very much, Samy. Appreciate your time today.
Well, thank you for the invitation, and I enjoyed the interview.
That concludes our interview with Samy Achour from Integration Objects about his KnowledgeNet solution. Thank you very much.